Good afternoon. Welcome back to Breakheart Orchard. It is creeping up a little bit after 5 o'clock today. Been out here all day. It is in the mid 90s. It's hot. There's just no getting around it. We are getting ready to stand up one of these SIPS panels, just like this monster over here. This is a 16.5-foot panel. With the last one, when I put the splines in, I used 2 pieces on each side. I did not like that, so I went this morning and came back with 20-foot 2x6s and cut them down to about 6.5 feet so that we could have it fit perfectly. We've gone ahead and done a lot of preparation over here. We're getting ready to pull the panel off, stand it up, and bring the excavator over to put it in place. I'm just moving slow today. It's hot. There's just no getting around it. I'll take the hit. I'll lazy, whatever. There are some days when you're out on the build that you're not feeling it, and today for me is one of those days. I ain't feeling it. I'm not enthused. I'm not super excited, but I'm gonna drag my butt across the finish line. We're gonna get that thing up and start another one. It is heavy now. our goal for the day was 2 wall panels. We got 1. Some days are just like that. You just got to accept it, push on. The heat kicked my butt today. There are days that I can come out here and I can handle it, and today was not one of them. Today it got me. So I just set a snail's pace and kept on going. We'll be back out here tomorrow, and we're going to keep on pushing through, get another one of those panels put up right here, which will put us in a position to start working on another truss. Well, we're back on it this morning. We got to get that top panel right there, marked D2, up to the build site. Now, with a lot of other panels, we just picked them up and carried them, but these are heavy. And once we get it up there, we got to be able to put the splines in, and the best way to do that is to do it when it's up on the trailer. Good afternoon. We have been out here all day. Just like yesterday, we got that panel up. We got another one prepped here, and we are ready to go. Got the excavator running. I've got sip seal all along this beam, all the way to the top. And much like anything else on here, the more moving pieces you get involved in this, the more complicated it gets. Now, this is the first time that we've had to put it against one that was all the way to the top. We're about to get a little more on-the-job training here, but I think we've got this knocked out. We've got everything prepped. I'm gonna bring the excavator in here, stand this panel up. Once I get it stood up, we're gonna sip seal the front of this piece right here and put some foam on top, then lift it and put it into place. hold on. It's tipping. There we go. Relax, I got it. Yep, those straight bucks are that hard. Well, that was easy. Really can't complain about the way that one went. We did a lot of prep work to make sure we were ready for it, put it into place, and it pretty much went exactly where we wanted to. With the exception of squirting a bunch of foam all over the foundation when we first started, but that'll come up with a razor blade pretty easy. If you've watched this far in and this happens to be your first time visiting us, this is a SIPS panel. It is an insulated panel with a sandwich of foam and 2 pieces of 3/8 inch OSB. They're bonded together. They create a beam and they are extremely strong. In addition to that, these ones happen to be for the front of the house to hold our windows. We have a 2x6 spline, a full 20-footer cut down to 16.5 feet. It goes top to bottom. And basically what they provide on a structural basis is torsion. They provide shear load. It locks these posts and beams in, as well as the roof panels that are going to go on. The first set of roof panels will extend all the way from that wall all the way over to this beam and lock it in with the conventional stick-built part of the house. Same thing happens on this side, and from that point we have 16 and 24 foot panels that go across and lock everything together super tight. We've gone ahead and pulled up the timbers for the next truss. I'm gonna be up here tomorrow working on that. We got a couple hours of daylight left. We're gonna go ahead home and get ready for the week to come. She's got to work tomorrow, and I'm gonna be up here working on the farm. We appreciate y'all watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button or the like button. Come on back and check us out again at Break Hard Orchard. We'll see you then.